Now, Misti Motorkrass is one of the most interesting Piston Cup racers to talk about. And that's because she's the only female racer in Cars 1, at least. She also resembles. Her model is a Crown Celesta. That's like Sage. So that's like Sage Vanderspin and hauling gas. When she resembles her stuff like a Husker Morocco, which is like Claude Scruggs, Murray Clutchburn, Ernie Gearson, sorts of new cars, Well, another interesting point is that, she has no, stickers, headlights, which stickers, It's just her number is meant to be the headlight. Bit weird, but I don't know. Another thing, she also has a grille, which, doesn't sound too, out of the ordinary. Because, most cars have grills, but when you take into consideration in the Cars universe, and the grill's meant to represent, a mustache, that's when, starts to get a little, weird, But still, that's what makes it interesting. That's why, I like her, Still, let's try to have a closer look at her. She was also replaced by an unnamed racer, which I know wasn't her fault, but I mean, they still could have given her replacement a name. I mean, it could even be Misti Motorkrass. As far as we're concerned, you never know. Could be. Still has a Rev'n'Go logo, carburetor decongestant, as you can see. With the arrow, what I meant to symbolize? I suppose you're going forward, with something, I don't know what. Still 73, another Rev'n'Go logo. Slightly different this time, but still got all the same features, including the arrow and all that. Oh, look at this little white bit. You're going through the number. And in front of the arrow, can you see it? Good. What else is there? Well, side exhausts, blue rims, your blue Lightyear tyres, I should say. Now on the back, it's all the same features. God. Well, sometimes it's you can't mess with that. Can't mess with perfection, though, can you? And, the arrow finishes on the top with a number. This is the Thailand variant, released in 2024, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Have a great day, folks!